Hello students, as you all know that we have already started our chord lesson, and in that we have already completed our basic chord theory part 1 and part 2, and in the previous lesson we have learned about all chords that comes under C major scale, and we had learned how to play C major chord and its finger positions onto the guitar fretboard. In today's lesson, we will learn about D major chord and how to play it on guitar, different chords that comprises D major scale, and derive D major chord with the help of major chord formula. But before that, let's first have a look onto the D major scale. Our D major scale is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp and D. We then give it numbers from 1 to 8 so that we can give these notes an address. This is our Roman numeral representation. It is a universal formula. It is same that we have learned from the previous lesson. It helps us to identify the chord's nature in a scale. For example, in this scale, which is D major scale, the chords from this formula we have are D major, E minor, F sharp minor, G major, A major, B minor, C sharp diminished. But it's not over yet. We have more other chords that can be played under D major scale. They are D major 7th, E minor 7th, F sharp minor 7th, G major 7th, A major A dominant 7th or A 7th, B minor 7th, C sharp diminished, C sharp minor 7th flat 5. Now, it's time to derive our D major scale using the major chord formula. And the major chord formula is 1, 3, 5. It means notes on the position 1, 3, 5, if we played simultaneously, we get our D major chord. So the notes on 1, 3, 5 are D, F sharp and A. Now, it's time to see the D major chord representation onto the guitar fretboard. Starting from the 6th string, you can see I have put a cross at the starting of the string, at the position where we usually mention our open notes. So when we write a 0 at the starting, it means open string, which means we don't have to press down at any fret. We have to let it play. But X or cross means we have to mute. Now, there are several muting techniques that we will learn when we reach to our strumming lessons. But for now, we can simply understand it by not touching the strings. Means to not play it. So strings 6 and 5 are muted. 4th string is played open. 3rd string is played on the 2nd fret with index finger, and the note is A. 2nd string is played on the 3rd fret with ring finger, and note is D. And note F sharp is played on the 2nd fret on 1st string with middle finger. Let's see it again. 6th string is muted. 5th string is also muted. 4th string open is D. 3rd string 2nd fret index finger is A. 2nd string 3rd fret ring finger is D. 1st string 2nd fret middle finger is F sharp. We will always try to play the major chord notes that we have just learned. Let's hear it. This is our D major chord. I hope you all are enjoying the chord lessons. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and practice more.